भाई यहाँ पे भाई ऐसा सामने
चलो ओके तो अभी जरा साइड
He was with McKinsey and he headed the leadership team at Myntra, and how it is a real reflection of who you are.
Well, it all started when my first film happened, really. I got a lot of acceptance for my physicality, for my appearance, for the things I could do on and off screen. So a lot of people, a lot of kids, a lot of mothers used to keep telling me that, their child wants to be like you, wants to do what you can do, and, it's just so fascinated by what you can do. So, that just was the beginning. And then it just kept growing and growing as the years went by. And so I thought, I need to give them back somehow. I need to make them feel like if I can do it, they can do it. I mean, we're all humans. I've got 2 arms, two legs. You've got 2 arms, 2 legs. So I just want that feeling to come across that anybody can do what I can do if they just work at it and put in the time. That being said, my motivation was also that, I've noticed that we live it's a very tech-savvy world now, A lot of people live very sedentary lives. So to just help people move, to help people, I mean, you've been given this body for a purpose, for a reason. I believe that reason is always to keep moving, to keep living. So that was my aim, really, to just motivate the youth and to, guide them, not preach, but to guide them in a fun way. I think Prowl stands for that. I'm not telling you guys to get on a treadmill and run. I'm telling you guys to go out there on the playground, have fun, play a sport or do something, So it's all about movement. It's all about feeling the right state of mind, whether it's happiness or whatever. And I don't want to preach on too much. And also these guys sitting here are my motivation. It's all thanks to them that this is happening right now. So I'd like to thank Anirban Jiggy and of course Surveyor, who's done a fantastic job. And he's, really been pushing me and helped me get involved with everything from, the creation of the product to its philosophy. So thank you very much.
Wonderful. Jiggy, if I can come to you, we've seen a lot of celebrity endorsements, but what we're now seeing is the emergence of celebrity brands. What is the difference between the two?
I think primarily the difference is marriage versus dating. In a big way, this is not a short fix. This is long term. Involvement of Tiger has been complete. We've just got started, but we know that everything from the logo to what the product's going to look like, from the marketing.
Quan, as we know, manages India.
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
Is there any planning to come with a retail outlet?
Yes, eventually that is the plan, definitely. Once we launch a clothing line, for sure.
Okay, whom do you see as a competitor when you come as a retail chain outlet?
I think right now we're in a league of our own, sir. As in, I don't mean that again in a cocky way. I think, we're very, we've differentiated ourselves in that our philosophies are very different, and going with our philosophy, the stuff we're creating, our products are going to be very different.
Okay, Salman is the one who started this Being Woman and all, now you are coming with this. What's your take on that, and do you think there'll be a competition with Being Woman?
I think it's 2 different categories altogether, sir.
Yeah. I think Being Human is the casual wear brand. I think we are focusing primarily on active wear and active lifestyle, so very different categories in what we are focusing on.
Hello. Hi.
Any more
Hi,
questions?
Tiger, hi. My question is for you.
Boliye, sir.
Tomorrow is a Valentine Day. So when Valentine Days come in your mind, remind your college or school time memories, or is there any plan for tomorrow?
मैं कभी वैलेंटाइन पे कभी गया नहीं क्योंकि मेरी बहुत फटती थी स्कूल में तो I don't know I'll be working actually on my Valentine's Day because Baghi 2's trailer is going to be out very soon, so we'll just be busy with that in the trailer dub and stuff like that.
So are you going to part of Super 30? Are you going to part
of Super 30? No, I have nothing to do with Super 30.
Okay, there are news where you are sharing screen space with Hrithik Roshan in Super 30. If you can.
Yeah.
Guys, this is not a conversation about Super 30 or all of that. Let's just focus to questions about Prowl. I'm sure there's enough opportunities for us to discuss other stuff as well. Yeah.
Are there any more
ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे
questions?
मिलते सर तभी पूछा
I just wanted to know from Abhishek, is there a back-end partner for manufacturing this good quality, activewear that we've been hearing about? Back-end partner, or is it a mix of many partners?
Yeah, so I think we're focused very much on developing an in-house capability in design, product development, and sourcing. So we have selected the factories we want to work with, and we are all taking that process in hand because, again, the kind of brand we are trying to do, we want to make sure that product is completely in our control. And we are absolutely, absolutely focusing on all aspects of product development end-to-end ourselves, not really partnering with other people.
Tiger had a question for you.
Yes, sir.
From India Licensing Post. So we are a site about the licensing business. We just want to get your views on how does it feel to wear the business hat and how much time will you be devoting to Prowl?
I feel very smart, yeah, because I was a complete idiot in school. I still am a complete idiot, but thanks to these guys, they're like my teachers now. So, getting the hang of it, and, it feels great to be involved in a different sort of a field. So yeah, I feel smarter.
Thank you so much.
How much time do I want to give it to answer your second question? Whenever I have time off of my, my film projects, this is probably where I'll be spending my time, because it's something that will require a lot of time to get it to the level where we'd like it to be. So yeah, most of my time.
Yeah, so we're still in the process of finalizing the same.
It's far from certain we will go with a traditional advertising agency. Because it is a...
So yeah, so we'll not be going with the traditional advertising agency. We are looking at several new age advertising agencies, and we'll be partnering with one of them.
Yeah, like we said, this is the first sort of fitness brand that's targeted at the millennial, and we don't think that the millennial follows traditional advertising and traditional advertising formats. So we have to create a whole new vocabulary of communicating with those consumers. Yeah.
Tiger, you just said trailer launch में मिलते हैं. It's about Super 30 or Baghi 2?
नहीं, Baghi 2 का trailer launch.
Thank you so much for joining us. And maybe just, if you would like to take a few photographs. Yeah.
ऐसे ही बैठ.
चालू हो गया हमारा.
Tiger.
And I'll invite. Sorry, come. A very good afternoon to all of you again. We welcome you and wonderful. Thank you. May I now invite?
Shall we sit?
Yes, please. Tiger, of course, needs no introduction, but you're going to be seeing him today in a new avatar as a co-owner and co-creator of the brand Prowl. I'll start with Abhishek. Abhishek Verma is CEO of Mojista. He previously was with McKinsey and he headed the leadership team at Myntra, heading their private labels and the private brands. Jiggy George, founding partner Mojista and founder and CEO Dream Theatre. Dream Theatre is one of the foremost brand representation and brand management agencies in India. And previous to this, Jiggy was executive director at Cartoon Network Enterprises. He managed and very successfully ran the businesses, the licensing businesses at both Turner as a partner at Mojista. He's MD Quan Entertainment. And Quan, as you know, is India's only Entities and Celebrities. And annually, enables a business of $500 million. So that's the keener understanding of the brand. What I thought I'll do is just do a few questions on the floor. Abhishek, if I can start with you, if you can just philosophy of brand Prowl and its plans.
Activewear brand, and we're targeting Prowl for 18 to 25-year-old. So as we look at the activewear business in India, we found that actually there is no real brand that targets this young segment specifically. And we believe there is a great gap in that market because the segment wants functionality and performance in the products, make it easy to do workout. At the same time, they also want style because they want to be able to wear their garments in the gym and outside the gym. So at Prowl, we are aiming to provide garments that actually provide a good combination of the style and functionality, very much focused towards 18 to 25-year-olds.
Wonderful. Thank you. Tiger, if I can just come to you, what motivated you to launch Prowl and how it is a real reflection of who you are?
Well, you know, it all started when my first film happened, really. I got a lot of acceptance for my, my physicality, for my appearance, for the things I could do on and off screen. So a lot of people, a lot of kids, a lot of mothers used to keep telling me that, you know, their child wants to be like you, wants to do what you can do, and, you know, it's just so fascinated by what you can do. So, you know, that just was the beginning. And then it just kept growing and growing as the years went by. And so I thought, you know, I need to give them back somehow. I need to make them feel like if I can do it, they can do it. I mean, we're all humans. I've got 2 arms, 2 legs. You've got 2 arms, 2 legs. You know, so I just want that feeling to come across that anybody can do what I can do if they just work at it and put in the time. That being said, my motivation was also that, you know, I've noticed that we live very, it's a very tech-savvy world now, you know. A lot of people live very sedentary lives. So to just help people move, to help people